Welcome to my channel English बहुत दिल से, and here you can understand easily and usually you can see that I am your host, I am your teacher, and every day I am trying to teach you that how to speak your English speaking ability skill, and I really want that everyone should improve their skill because look, we are now become a very English now become a very global language, so everyone should at least more than at least just try yourself that everyone use every day you should at least give 20 or 30 minutes or basically, and then you can see that each and every day you are improving yourself, and each and every day you are speaking a better English version. So today I am taking a topic of past perfect continuous. Look, every day I am trying to teach you each and new content. So today I am showing you that, look, here are some example, and first I will repeat for you example, then I will tell you a story, a really very good tell story, because this is how you're gonna speak English. I just want to that just enjoy every moment, you just speak yourself like enjoy. Your English speaking ability is all about that you are enjoying yourself, and you are really feel really thankful to each and every moment of your life. Just give thankful to God and whatever your faith in. So always just try to yourself better, and always try to something learning new, because whatever you are, or if you are trying to always learning new, then it will keep you motivated, it will keep you always energetic. So yes, I'm telling you that here are some examples, then I will tell you story of Game of Thrones. Okay, I'm sure you're gonna enjoy it. I shall have been living in Delhi for 5 years. Look, we are talking about past perfect continuous, and you know how it works. We shall and will. This is gonna be used. I, we, you are shall, and he, she, it. We are using the shall. So I shall have been living in Delhi for 5 years by the end of this year. I shall have been living in Delhi for 5 years by the end of this year. I know you gonna translate in a Hindi. I'm sure. Look, why I'm not translating in Hindi? Just because I just want to use that perfect in your English speaking ability. Look, if you won't try to translate in Hindi, then how it works, yes, easily you can see that how it works. So you should at least always try to speak yourself that you are translating in Hindi and English. I think this is the two language we are needing in India. India is our country, and we are so we are so thankful that we are in this country. The secular thing, and we are talking about India. Okay, I know you. This is present tense. I have known him for 5 years. I have known him for 5 years. I have been living in Delhi. I had known him for 2 years. I shall have been living in Delhi for 5 years by the end of this year. I know you. I have known him for 5 years. I have been living in Delhi. I had known him for 2 years. So here you can easily understand that I shall have been living in Delhi for 5 years by the end of this year. I know you. I have known him for 5 years. I have been living in Delhi. I had known him for 2 years. The past perfect continuous we are talking about. I shall have been living in Delhi for 5 years by the end of these years. I know you. I have known him for 5 years. I have been living in Delhi. I had known him for 2 years. Look, so this is how you're gonna look. It's a very simple form, and you are just not think that how gonna we use this past perfect continuous. And look, if you are using in continuous tense, then it's easily that you are using ing. And whenever, just always remember, just you just conscious about that. I, we, you are, we gonna use will, and he, she, it, we gonna use shall. So this is how it works, and this is your past perfect continuous works. So first of all, I am look. We are living in India, so I'm telling you a very important thing. So you can apply it to your life, and you are. Take care about everything, because I think every field you must all able and capable to these two language. Look, first in Hindi and second is English. Yes, this is the most two important thing if you are living in India, and if you really want to achieve, if you really want to become success, and if you really want to take care about your goal, always worry about that you are living in India and you have only two language. First of all Hindi, and second one is English, and both language are necessary and very compulsory. If you are good in both language, I'm telling you, you will not stop anywhere. You will, I mean, you can do anything, whatever you want to achieve, whatever you want to just think, just you can achieve. So always care about that. You should always care about that, how your is two language. In Hindi, I don't think so anyone has problem, because I really think that anyone can speak in Hindi in India. And look, Hindi is our national language, so it's our first priority. It's our mother tongue. So always remember, always respect your mother tongue. Okay, never ever think that people who are going to speak Hindi are bullshit. People who are going to speak in Hindi, they are cowboy. No, it's your wrong thing. So just always keep your brainwash, and always take care that people who are speaking Hindi are not foolish, are not cowboy. He know better than you. I mean, look, but yes, I'm with you, and I'm also. I'm totally agree with you that everyone should speak English. Look, because we are living in also in this country, and we know how the environment is going on, how the people are going on, how the our work culture, and how our English environment. I know we are very one or two crore people in India who can speak English very well. I know very well 1 or 2 crore population in India who can speak English very well. So we are one of them. So yes, we also, if we are speaking, if we are can speaking, then everyone should speak. Yes, it's really important. If we are speaking that anyone can speak, then what's the matter, what's the problem? So yes, I'm with you, I'm totally agree with that people. And also English is connecting to our in other country. If we are very good in English, then everyone will take care, and everyone will care over. So we are connecting to each and every country, because English is a global language. So I think everyone should speak English. So yes, we are living in India, and there are over 3,000 language, and over 3,000 newspaper media, and I mean there are 29 state, and there are 29 state, and multiple caste, and religions over there. People, I mean, look at their but majority lives in Hindu, and they are believed to their own scripture. And people who are belongs to monks, and they are believe their own faith. Look, my name is Satyendra Purnia, and I am totally 100% a secular person. I am just with the truth. Yes, I am with the truth. My religion is truth. My caste is truth. I am truth. So I don't support. I don't have an agenda. This is a Hindu. This is a Muslim. This kind of religion. Or no. I won't support it. And also I'm not look, if I am not supporting the dharma, because look, if a man, look, I, what is the definition of man in my opinion is just that man should discover the truth. Yes, this is the definition I know about a man, that a man always worry about that what is truth, and what can be truth. So it's and it's not, it's all are the think that who the society, if you are believing in society, that this is your faith, this is your ideology, this is your thought, then how it works, then you are not growing. Yes, it's hard, but it's harsh reality, but it's the truth. If you are believing not to finding, and just listen to other self, then I don't think so you are growing. If you are growing, then you of course near the truth. So always, I am totally a secular person, as you can easily see that I am totally a secular person. My ideology is a freedom. Yes, my ideology freedom is a, if because we are living in a freedom country, and also we are living in a freedom country. So here you can easily see that how it works. So yes, again I'm telling you that if now 26th January is coming, and there are many beautiful songs we gonna listen in our Lal Killa, India Gate, and also we are prayed. Look, when we were in the school, then we always carry about that how we always prepared for 2 months. You won't believe that how we what we wanna perform in 26 January, what we wanna perform in 15 August, the dance, the speech, the sweets we get, and also the we get award. I mean, what kind of feeling is this? That was feeling was awesome, and that were golden days, because we were connected to we childhood, that we. I mean, our childhood memory was that, so we can easily relate to that feelings. So yes, that were tremendous feelings. And now again we are 26 January, our independence. It's our constitution day, and we made a history. I mean, 26 January 1950, our constitution day, and we create a history. Then we got a freedom in 15 August 1947, after we get a lot of I mean, we had a face, I mean, 2000 years British rule ourselves, and finally we get a freedom in 15 August 1947. I mean, my role model is always going to be Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, and I mean, they are our hero. They are a national hero, and everyone can relate to them. I mean, they are the known person which we known everywhere, but we've always known that there are over 30 lakhs people who give their life to get that we can get freedom, and we are building a truly unhappy nation. So yes, it's our responsibility that we are build a very good, very healthy, and a very developed nation, because still we can't fight our neighbor country. So everyone should care about this. But of course we can see that what can be happen there. There are lot of patriotic movie, lot of patriotic song over there, and I listen to today, even today I listen to them, and I enjoy myself. I really truly enjoy myself. And in 26 January I will listen to whole day. So look, see what's going to be happen, and how it works. But again, I'm telling you that I'm telling you that I really attached to that feelings that India is our country and we can do our country anything for else. I mean, but first of all, you gonna tell me just like, share, and subscribe my channel, and please below comment, just because I have to also improve myself. If you will telling me that how am I working and how you want to listen and how you want to show, then I will make content like this. So please always like, share, and subscribe my channel. So look, I'm honestly saying I want to monetize my channel, and I really want to that you speak to English speaking skill very good. So this is how this is I really want to you that you just speak English very well. So that's why I'm telling and look, I am also can be other teachers like that who are there, who are listen to some sentence, and then they translate to in Hindi, and they will teach you verb sentence like a full description. I mean how it works, how to. But I really I can teach you very well. But look, that one take you goes 10 years to become a very fluent speaking English. I'm telling you, this is their process is very lengthy. So I always just watch my channel English Bolo Dil Se, and here you can understand. I mean, look, I'll just watch every day 15 or 20 minutes to my content. Then you will practice to yourself in yourself to speak English. So, and this is how you're going to fluent in English in the next 6 months. So just give at least a 20, 25, 30 minute. I mean, give at least, always just watch, every day just watch my channel. Just, this is your guideline. Just every day watch my channel, and then you're going to be fluent in speaking English. You will not care about that, what people going to say, what people will going to laugh. I mean, who's care, man? Who's care? No one is caring you. No one, I'm telling you that no one is worrying about you, no one is caring about you. So always be humble, be relaxed, be super cool, be talented, and be innovative, be super creative, be a content creator. And of course, if you have a 9-10 talent, then you are a multi-talented superstar. So this is how you're gonna speak in a fluent way. Okay, thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.